to Coloring with Sam Sam. Today's mission is to color in our farm animal pictures. Do you want to color along with me and be a part of my secret spy squad? Great! Here we go, go, go! Our first mission is to color in our picture of our cow. Let's start with the color pink to color in our cow's ears. Now let's color in the muzzle of our cow, and let's also use our pink. Can anyone tell me where the udder of the cow is? If you said here, you're right. Let's also color the udder in pink. Great! Now let's do the horns of our cow. Let's use peach. And let's also use our peach for the nostrils of our cow. Now let's do something fun. Let's draw eyes on our cow. Right now, our cow's eyes are closed, but let's draw them open. So what we're gonna do is take the half circle that's already there and add a half circle underneath, just like this. Great! Now we're going to add a circle for the iris inside the eye. You can do this very slowly. There! Now our cow's eyes are open. And what we want to do is color in the iris, which is the circle we just drew. So let's give our cow green eyes. I like that. And now, to finish our cow's eyes, we're going to draw little pupils inside the iris that we just colored. So tiny little circle dots, just like that. Wow, now our cow looks really awake. Now, let's take our black marker and color in all of the spots on our cow. Let's also color in the tail black and the ears black. And so that we can keep coloring a little more, let's color part of the face black. Remember, you can use any colors you want to color in your cow. So if you don't want to leave the body white, you can color it in any other color you want. Great! Can you help me spell the word cow? C-O-W, cow. Let's color the letters cow in pink. Yay! We finished our cow picture. Mission complete. Great job! Our next mission is to color our picture of our horse. Let's start with our horse's mane and our horse's tail. Let's use yellow. Now let's color our horse's hooves. Can anyone tell me what shape this is? If you said rectangle, you're right. Let's use peach. Next, let's color our horse's body. Let's use brown. I'm going to start by outlining my entire horse's body. And then I'm going to go back with my marker and color it in. This just makes it easier for me to stay within the lines. Great! Now let's take our blue and color in our horse's eyes. And let's leave this part white because it's a reflection of the light. Can you help me spell the word horse? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Let's create a pattern using our markers. A pattern is something that happens in a repeated way. Let's use the colors blue and yellow to create our pattern. It will look like this: blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue. Yay! We finished our horse picture. Mission complete. Great job! Our next mission is to color in our picture of our pig. Let's use a dark pink to color in the snout and the ear. Now let's do something fun. It looks like our pig's eyes are closed, but let's draw eyes on our pig that make it look like they're open. So what we're going to do is take this half circle that's already there and create another half circle underneath, just like that with our marker or crayon. Perfect. And then we're going to draw a circle inside. And this will be the iris of the eye. The iris is the colored part of your eye. What color should we color our pig's eyes? Let's do light blue. So we're going to fill in the circle that we drew inside with our marker or crayon. Great! Now we're going to take our black marker and draw a tiny little circle in the middle of the eye. That's called a pupil. There! Now our pig's eyes are open. Now, let's do the body of the pig, and let's use a lighter pink for the body. I like to outline the entire body of the pig first, and then I go back and color it all in with my marker. That just helps me stay within the lines better. And remember, if you ever go outside of the lines and make a mistake, no problem. You just want to make sure that you're having fun when you're coloring. Great! Now let's do the nostrils of our pig. Can you help me count how many nostrils there are? 1, 2, 2 nostrils. Let's use peach. Great! Can you help me spell the word pig? P-I-G, pig. Let's color these letters in using our dark pink. Yay! We finished our pig picture. Mission complete. Great job! Our next mission is to color in our chicken. Let's start with our chicken's beak. Let's use yellow. Can anyone tell me what shape the chicken's beak is? If you said triangle, you're right. Now let's do the comb of the chicken. That's the very top part of the chicken. Let's use red. Let's also use our red to color in the face of the chicken. Now for the neck of our chicken, let's use orange. Let's also use this orange for this part of the wing of the chicken. Now for the rest of the wing, oops, I forgot a little part of the wing there. Phew, don't worry, if you ever make a mistake, you can always go back and fix it. Now for the rest of the wing, let's use a dark orange. I like to take my marker and outline the entire wing here so that I can stay within the lines a little better when I go back to color it in. Great. Now let's color the body of our chicken. And let's use brown. I'm going to outline the entire body of the chicken with my brown marker. And now, let's take a brown crayon and color it in. With my crayon, I just like to scribble by going up and down across the page like this. And as you can see, I scribble in the same direction. Instead of like this, I go up and down, up and down. And since we outlined the entire chicken in marker, it makes it a lot easier for me to stay within the lines with my crayon. And the harder you press with your crayon, the darker the color will be. And the lighter you press, the lighter it will be. Now let's do the feet of the chicken. Let's use peach. Can you help me spell the word chicken? C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Let's create a pattern using our markers. A pattern is something that happens in a repeated way. Let's use the colors yellow, orange, and red to create our pattern. It will look like this. Yellow, orange, red. Yellow, orange, red. Yellow. Yay! We finished our chicken picture. Mission complete. Great job! Our next mission is to color our hen and our eggs. Can you help me count how many eggs are on the page? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 eggs. Let's color our eggs fun colors. Let's start with pink. Let's color 2 of our eggs pink. Can anyone tell me what shape this egg is? If you said oval, you're right. Now let's color these 2 eggs in blue. And now, let's color these 2 eggs in light green. Great! Now it's time to color in our hen. Let's start with our hen's beak. Let's use yellow. Let's also use this yellow to color in the straw that our hen is sitting on. Great. Now let's color in the comb of the hen, and let's use red. Great. Now for the head and neck of the chicken, let's use a dark brown. And remember, if you go outside the lines when you're coloring, it's no problem. You just want to make sure that you're having fun. Now, let's do the wing of our hen, and let's use orange. And for the rest of the body of the hen, let's use a lighter brown. Yay! We finished our hen and egg picture. Mission complete. Great job! Our next mission is to color in our goats, grass, and grain. Can you help me count how many strands of grain there are? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 strands of grain. Let's use yellow to color in our grain. Great! Now let's count how many bundles of grass there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bundles of grass. Let's color 2 in dark green. And remember, if you color outside the lines, that's no problem. The more you practice, the better you get. Practice makes better. Great! Now let's use our lighter green to color in the other 2 bundles of grass. Can you help me count how many goats are on the page? 1, 2. Let's color in our goats. Let's start with our goats' ears. Let's use pink. Now let's color in the udder of our goats, and let's use the same pink. Now let's do the horns of our goats. Let's use peach. Can you help me count how many horns there are? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horns. Let's also use our peach for the hooves of our goats. Now, let's color in the spots on our goats. Let's use gray. Let's also use this gray for the tail of the goat. Now let's take this same marker and outline our entire goat. Then we're going to take a crayon and color it all in. This will help us stay within the lines when we use our crayon to color in our entire goat. Remember, the more you practice coloring, the better you'll get. Great! Now let's take our gray crayon and color in the goats. When I color with my crayon, I like to go back and forth, up and down in the same direction, just like this. This helps to make sure that I color in the entire picture evenly. And remember, the harder you press your crayon, the darker the color will be. So the lighter you press the crayon, the lighter the color will be. Okay, now let's do the hair on our goat's chin. Let's use our black crayon. Okay, we're almost there. Now let's do the eyes of our goats. Let's do this goat's eyes blue. And let's do this goat's eyes light brown. Yay! We finished our goats, grass, and grain picture. Mission complete. Great job! Our next mission is to color in our rabbits and carrots. Can you help me count how many carrots are on the page? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carrots. Let's start with our carrots. Let's use orange. Great. Now let's do the leaves on the carrots, and let's use green. Great. Now let's do the inside of the ears of our bunny rabbits, and let's use pink. Can you help me count how many rabbits are on the page? 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits. Let's color each of our rabbits in a different color. Let's start with this rabbit. Let's color this rabbit in gray. I'm going to begin by outlining the entire rabbit with my gray marker, and then I'm going to go back and color it in with my gray crayon. I like to outline the rabbit with my marker because it will help me stay within the lines when I go back and color it in with my crayon. Does anyone know what these are called on the rabbit? If you said whiskers, you're right. Now let's take our gray crayon and color our rabbit in. I like to go up and down the page with my crayon in the same direction. Great, we finished one rabbit. Now let's do this rabbit. Let's outline our rabbit in a brown marker, and then we'll go back and color it in with our brown crayon. Great. Now let's color it in with our brown crayon. Now for our third rabbit. Let's outline this rabbit in our peach marker, and then we'll go back and color it in with our crayon. Great! Now let's use our peach crayon. Can anyone tell me what these are called again? Oh yeah, whiskers. Yay! We finished our rabbit and carrots picture. Mission complete. Great job! Our next mission is to color in our dog, cat, bones, and bowls. Can you help me count how many bones there are? 1, 2, 2 bones. Let's use gray. Wait, I just noticed. There are how many bones? 1, 2, 3. 3 bones on the page. So let's color this bone in as well. Great. Now let's color in our dog bowl. Let's color the outside of our dog bowl in dark blue. And let's color the inside of our dog bowl yellow. Let's also use this yellow to color the inside of our cat bowl. And let's color the outside of the cat bowl in dark purple. And now let's color the fish on the cat bowl in light purple. Great! Now let's color the noses of our cat and dog. Let's use pink. Let's also use this pink inside our cat's ears. Now let's color our cat. Let's use gray for around the cat's eyes. Let's also use this gray for the tip of the cat's tail and for the paws. Now let's use our lightest gray for the cat's body and for the belly of our cat, let's use black. Great! Let's leave this part of the cat white, but if you want to color it in, you can color it any color you want. Now let's color the cat's eyes in green. This part that I'm coloring in is called the iris. The iris is the colored part of the eye. Great! Now let's color our dog. Let's start with our dog's tongue. Let's use red. And for inside the mouth, let's use our peach. Now for this part of the dog's face, let's use a brown. And let's do the tip of the tail this same color brown. Now let's color the dog's body, and let's use a darker brown. I like to outline the entire body first with my marker and then go back and color it in. This just makes it easier for me to stay within the lines. I'm going to create lines with my marker to fill in the rest of the body. I do this by slowly running the marker down the page. We finished our cat, dog, bones, and food bowl picture. Mission complete. Great job! Thanks for helping me color today, Secret Spy Squad. We did a great job completing all of our missions. Remember, practice makes better, and always have fun, fun, fun.